Hello, viewers. Welcome back. Today we dive into the world of beautiful, colorful, handcrafted, easy to make, paper crafted, beads added, Xmas tree. Very beautiful designs and ideas, and you can get and watch till the end and write your comment in the comment section. And we will try to upload for our viewers and subscribers very best and unique ideas. So hope you like that ideas and designs. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share and watch till the end. Stay tuned. Have a very nice and beautiful handcrafted ideas we give you in this video. So hope you like that and very beautiful designs, very beautiful ideas in this video we want to give you and we try to give you. So these are very interesting and popular, beautiful design, easy handcrafted ideas, easy beautiful designs. So leave your comment in the comment section and tell me about these ideas. Follow for more interesting designs and ideas. Very cute and impressive collection, and upcoming festival season is near to be happen, and you can grow your business with these type of products. You can make it on fabric, on clay. The world of beautiful Xmas tree designs, very beautiful ideas and luxurious ideas, and also easy to make and tiny style. We give you a beautiful ideas for upcoming festival season. So this festival is not just happiness, togetherness and fun something, and it's also for grow your business. In this season you can grow your business, you can make your small tree house or small tree designs, and you can sell it on social media and Facebook, Etsy, Amazon. You can grow your business with it and make your tree and take the picture of it, something add something different designs, different ideas, and put on social media. And also you can put your charges. So when you upload on social media, so you will know what is the response of your product. And many customers just not about common cheese, and they want to know about what is the story behind that. They buy not only product, they also buy a story. They want to know about that, and they know about what you did about it with this. So hope you like that these designs. Watch till the end, stay tuned with us. Very productive and creative ideas. You can make your own store, you can grow your business in this season and make a businessman in this season. Leave your comment in the comment section and we will try to bring for you what you want to watch. If you know me, and leave your comment in the comment section what you want to watch, we will try to upload definitely for you, for our viewers and subscribers. And your comment is very meaningful for us and very precious for us, and we will very happy for it to read your comment. So you know that these are very different types of Xmas tree, and you can make it with the dye and mold. And you can purchase mold is a one-time investment, so you can purchase a beautiful mold, simple mold, and you can decorate it and sell your and you use material of resin or ceramic. Ceramic is cheaper than resin, I think. So you can use resin, and you can use paper, hard paper. So you can use that, and if you will use these type of things, and ceramic mean white cement, and you will made with this trees, so you will definitely decorate it beautifully. If you're an artist, make some beads, put on some beads, orange, black,